So guys, these are all the ingredients that I'll be using. Here we have instant yeast, 1 sachet, and then a quarter cup of sugar, 1 egg, a half a cup of milk, and then I'll be using 2 cups of flour, and then butter, but mine is Blue Band, but 2 tablespoons of this. Okay, so let's start. So guys, the way I normally prefer doing it, I normally add my quarter cup of sugar in here together with the milk, and then I add the yeast, and then after that, that's when I add my egg and also my melted butter. I normally prefer combining all those ingredients together here before adding the flour, the 2 cups of flour. So guys, here I've already mixed the milk together with the butter, 2 tablespoons of butter and half a cup of milk. Then after this I'll add quarter cup of sugar, and then I will also add my instant yeast. I've added 1 cup, then I'll add another half a cup of flour. So this is already done, but you have to make it a little bit more soft. It might be sticky, but guys, don't be attempt to add more flour on it. Just do it like this until it will be soft. It won't be sticking anymore. And then guys, you can rub it with a little bit of butter to make it more soft while kneading the dough. The texture has to be soft. It has to be really soft. If you want a very soft rolls, make the dough very soft. It's supposed to be very soft. You can either choose to apply oil on it or butter, but I prefer applying butter than oil. And then you place it. Make sure you cover it. Cover it nicely. because we want it to rise, so we'll give it about 20 to 40 minutes. And then after that, that's when I will continue with the next step, making the rolls. So I'll let it sit for 20 to 40 minutes, and then I'll continue making the rolls, and then after that I'll show you guys what next. So let's wait. It's very soft. You can even see the texture. Very, very soft and sweet.